So recently I talked about trying to use tabs to be intentional about that in NeoVim. Now that I got that set up though, I kind of realized, within a single repo, a lot of times I'll have different sets of files. It would be nice if I could snapshot the tabs for a given project. So when I go back to work on that subset of the repo, I can actually open up exactly where I was at. Don't have to find the files and then arrange them. Instead, I can just jump to the layout I had previously. And so what I did is, now that I've got tabs, I've now modified my own workspace or session management plugin, and I've set it up here so that I can actually just save a snapshot of the tabs, the windows, actually everything about the project. I can save that into its own session on disk, and then at any time I could restore one of those. So now I can move between different sets of tabs. So if I want to open up a previous workspace or session, all I have to do down below here, and I'll zoom in so you can see this initially. So if I come down below here, I've actually got a command that I set up as well to be able to help restore these. A couple of choices here. I could, for example, list the sessions I have, or of course, I could go ahead and choose to restore one of these. And when I go to restore here, I set up completion so this moves rather quickly here. I can just start typing part of the name here, like I could restore CO here, the first one. And so you can see now it opens up the tab strip on top here with a single file. That's all I have in this particular project or subset of the repo. Whereas if I come back and grab a different one here, that one only has one as well. Let's try one of these. Let's try one with a bit more in it. This ScreenPal one here, you can see it opens up a bunch of things. In fact, I'm gonna have to zoom out a little bit here for you to see this. You can see I have 6 different tabs set up here with different parts of the system that I'm working on. So in this case, I have 3 primary features here: tools, short silences, and regular silences. And then I have some supporting code over here. Actually, this code test doesn't need to be here. This is not a part of that. So if I make a change to the tabs here, and if I want to save that, then I can switch over to save here, and I can literally right over the top of that now. Now I've only got 5 tabs here. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and open up. Let's restore CO here with only 1. And now if I come back and restore ScreenPal, you can see now I've only got 5 tabs. So the entire system is set up to allow me to save by name and quickly retrieve by name. So that's one particular project. And I should say my workspace plugin, essentially it revolves around a repository or a directory if it's not a repo. It's going to treat the Git repo essentially as the root of everything. And then thereafter, I can set up these sessions. And of course, I still have all the regular functionality of my workspace management plugin, where if I quit out here and then open it back up, it's going to pick up exactly where I was at here. In that case, I was working on ScreenPal, so I get those tabs here. If I were to restore CO though, and now if I quit out and open back up, in this case, you can see it opens up CO. So I've still got my default session, if you will. I haven't changed that at all. It's just going to save the state of NeoVim. When I close down, it's going to restore that then. And then if I want something different, then the next time I'm going to have to come in and use that sessions command to pick that then. Once I pick that then, and then I exit out again, that's going to become the default. And so I think I like this workflow, actually, being able to switch to different parts of the system. Basically restore where I was at, whatever I was working on last, just restore that when I open up NeoVim again. And then I can always pick to switch to a different session if I need to work on something else. So here is the workspace file here out of my getrepo.files. You can find everything I've got here. Not going to say that this is the prettiest of things. It's definitely not meant for other people to reuse. It's largely meant for me to use and modify. Here's my sessions command. Here are the subcommands then, and I dispatch out to the Lua function for each one. Down below, I've even got the completion set up. You can see my logic here for completing the various arguments. And maybe the last thing I'll conclude with is, long ago, almost a year ago, it feels like, I decided that I didn't want to use somebody else's workspace plugin or session plugin or whatever you call it. Instead, I knew I wanted to build this myself because it's a central part to how you use NeoVim. And I wanted to make sure I understand the different features of NeoVim. And I wasn't just leaning on somebody else's plugin, which is not exactly native NeoVim, if you will. Instead, I wanted to start with NeoVim. I wanted to understand what it's like to quit out and then open it back up, restore what I was working on. That's why pretty quickly I knew I wanted the ability to do like Visual Studio Code, which I was used to, just to be able to pick up exactly where I left off. So I got that set up first, and then I put that away. I didn't really want to make any changes to that. I kind of hammered out the bugs of sometimes when I've got a weird window open up, like if I have the tree view of files over on the left, I don't want that to open up again if I restart here. So set up some code to get rid of that and some other temporary windows that I wouldn't want. And then I sat on that for a long time. And then probably about 2 weeks ago, I started using tabs and trying to force that into my workflow. And then a week ago, I published a video about that. And then in the last 2 or 3 days, I felt the need to want to be able to save sets of tabs to pick up where I left off on different subsystems. And so then I built this functionality. So that's like 3 bursts of time. And I think what I'm trying to say is don't go find somebody else's workspace plugin. Don't grab their session plugin, regardless of what it's called. When it comes to managing your windows, tabs, and everything you have opened up and restoring that, I think that is a great use case to learn how to first use NeoVim, use the windows and buffers and tabs and understand that. But then second, it's a good opportunity to learn how you can customize NeoVim to write your own workspace management. And then you can better understand things like Shada and the session files that I was looking at, and understand it's really not that complicated to set up some basic functionality to integrate with NeoVim, to extend it with your own plugin. And then over time, as a need arises for a real pain that you have, then you can customize that code. That way you're not trying to rely on somebody else's workflow that they codified into a plugin, and instead you can develop your own workflow.